Hello everyone. Question is a developer needs to access AWS resources from the AWS CLI. Which feature in AWS Identity and Access Management IAM can the developer use for authentication? Option A, IAM access keys. Option B, IAM policy. Option C, IAM role. Option D, account password policy. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which AWS service or tool allows users to visualize, understand, and manage AWS costs and uses over time? Option A, AWS Budgets. Option B, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option C, AWS Cloud Trail. Option D, Cost Explorer. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which actions should a company take to avoid failures in an AWS architecture design? Select two options. Option A, separate Amazon EC2 instances into different availability zones. Option B, enable Alexa for business applications. Option C, use Amazon Workspaces to reduce the need for operating system patching. Option D, use AWS Glue to prepare and load failover data. Option E, enable Amazon S3 cross-region replication. Correct answer is option A and option E. Question is, a developer is writing a new application that consists of multiple AWS microservices during quality assurance testing. The developer notices runtime errors in several areas of the application. Which AWS service should the developer use to help troubleshoot the errors? Option A, AWS Cloud Trail. Option B, AWS X-Ray. Option C, Amazon CloudWatch. Option D, Amazon Cognito. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company is running a reporting web server application on Amazon EC2 instances. The application runs once every week and once again at the end of the month. The EC2 instances can be shut down when they are not in use. What is the most cost-effective billing model for this use case? Option A, standard reserved instances. Option B, convertible reserved instances. Option C, on-demand capacity reservations. Option D, on-demand instances. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, how does AWS cloud computing help business reduce costs? Select two options. Option A, AWS charges the same prices for services in every AWS region. Option B, AWS enables capacity to be adjusted on demand. Option C, AWS offers discounts for Amazon EC2 instances that remain idle for more than 1 week. Option D, AWS does not charge for data sent from the AWS cloud to the internet. Option E, AWS eliminates many of the costs of building and maintaining on-premises data centers. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is, an auditor is preparing for an annual security audit. The auditor requests certification details for a company's AWS hosted resources across multiple availability zones in the US East 1 region. How should the company respond to the auditor's request? Option A, open an AWS support ticket to request that the AWS Technical Account Manager TAM respond and help the auditor. Option B, open an AWS support ticket to request that the auditor receive approval to conduct an on-site assessment of the AWS data centers in which the company operates. Option C, explain to the auditor that AWS does not need to be audited because the company's application is hosted in multiple availability zones. Option D, use AWS Artifact to download the applicable report for AWS security controls. Provide the report to the auditor. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.